Hey, good evening. Good evening to today's class. Ajke we'll talk about TTAADC, some important data and statistics, and those would be related to season, agriculture, horticulture, soil, all those types of things, and those are important for upcoming examination, which is on 21st of July, and I wish all of you best of luck for this examination. আর এই ডাটাগুলো শুধু যে TTAADCর জন্য কাজে আসবে তাই নয়, it will be useful for other examinations like TPSC, TCS, TPS or any other examinations of Tripura. Okay, so let's start with the presentation, and before that I would like to request all of you, please, if you like the channel, you should subscribe it. Always put comment, that motivates us a lot, and like it if you really like the channel, okay, and share with your friends. Okay, by the way, our TPSC, TCS, TPS, SSC, TAT, banking, all types of courses are going on. You can come visit our institute at Akhaura Road and see the demo notes, as well as you can even sit in the demo classes. You can even attend our demo classes through online. You can request us to send you the link so that you can join those, and of course you can come to know about our services, and you can decide for your future journey. So if I talk about the agriculture statistics, okay, most important statistic only we'll talk about, and most of the data we have taken from TTAADC website. Okay, we have used different things, and we created this information for you. So one thing is area under cultivation, that is 1,48,381 hectare. Okay, so if we talk about cultivable wasteland, that means কতটুকু জায়গা এমন আছে which is cultivable, but for last 5 years. When we call it wasteland, if you are not cultivating in that land for last 5 years, then you call it wasteland. So that is 2,732 hectare. Okay, fallow land means it is cultivable, but for more than 5 years you are not cultivating there, that is fallow land. So that would be 8,756.66 hectares. So you should remember this thing. Another thing is highland. Okay, highland, which is available for cultivation. We have a lot of highland in Tripura, but good thing is that about Tripura, we don't have any land which is not where we cannot do something. Okay, we can do something everywhere, almost everywhere. So we have 98,000 hectare of land which are highland, but it is cultivable. Okay, so about high yield variety, sometimes you can see this abbreviation HYV, high yield variety. তার মানে দোজ ভ্যারাইটি যেগুলো আপনি যে জাতের সিডগুলো লাগালে অনেক ভালো ইল্ড হবে, বাট ইন ত্রিপুরা বেসিক্যালি দ্যাট it's bit less, and for TTAADC of course data is nil. They don't have the data. It doesn't mean that it's not happening. It's happening, but they don't have the data. Okay, another thing is distribution of chemical fertilizer, biofertilizer. So you can have the question, when this data is of which year or which month. Okay, so I understood that this data is of year 7, 8, 8, 9, something like this. Okay, so if you see chemical fertilizer, government from TTAADC area, they have distributed 13,568 kilo, and biofertilizer they have distributed 45,000 kilo. And mostly what crops grow well in ADC area? Those are like paddy, of course, paddy, চাল ডাল জাতীয় জিনিস, okay, গম জাতীয়, অরহর, cotton, okay, bhutta, maize, bhutta or mokka, whatever we say, mustard, groundnut, তিল, okay, sesame, okay, mesta, একটা part টাইপের একটা জিনিস, আর jute vegetable. So why they have written jute vegetable? The reason is simple. আমরা জুট করি ঠিক আছে, বাট উই ডোন্ট ইউজ জুট অনলি ফর মেকিং দ্য robe and all, we mostly consume those as vegetable, and it's a tasty vegetable actually. Okay, state government Kishan credit cards, okay, CARD, it will not be CURD, okay, Kishan credit cards, which we call KCC also, eligible যে ফার্মাররা আছেন ওনাদেরকে সেটা দেওয়া হয়। আর টোটাল মিলিয়ে এডিসি তো ওই ইয়ারগুলোতে অলমোস্ট লাইক 6040 নাম্বারস অফ কেসিসি ডিস্ট্রিবিউট হয়েছিল। ওকে, আই এম গোয়িং ফাস্টার so that you don't waste time on this video. Again, I am saying, if you are liking, please subscribe the channel. If you like, of course you should put like also, it motivates us a lot. Okay, share with your friends, comment here, and to know about our courses and everything, you can call us at 8257000711. Okay, farmers trained during 2008-2009, that's why I'm saying most of the data is of 7, 8, 8, 9. Okay, maybe TTAADC don't have proper data after that, that's why they are using this data. Okay, 20,000 farmers were trained. So next points I will not go so much in detail. Distribution of machinery is actually power tiller, HC spare, push cart, pump set. Okay, they distribute different types of things. Actually in state level, everywhere government is doing those things. Okay, but if I talk about the production of different agricultural crop for the year 2007-8, paddy was 3.9 metric ton, pulses 1.15 metric ton, oil was 0.25 metric ton, vegetable was 0.45 metric ton. Okay, so I will not go much into detail, but total irrigated land, this is important, total irrigated land during that time was 18,785. Okay, this is important. Okay, paddy yield ADC area, okay, total paddy it was almost like 3,90,000 kilo. Okay, rainfall data, if you see January 2008, 616.99 millimeter. Okay, now these data are very important. 20% of the land of TTAADC are cultivable. Okay, cultivable. So yes, it is true, because if you see this part, it's 20%. Then if you see this part, 73% of geographical area of TTAADC is what? Forest. So 73 plus 20 is 93. What about the rest 7%? That is, that is part of road network and all. I'm sure it is increased now, road network, so that means maybe that 20% is decreased, but some forest area has become agricultural area maybe. So if we talk about the land classification, we classified in Tripura, in TTAADC area, the classification is done under 5 major groups. One is high area, very high area with steep slope, okay, very steep slope. Another is tilla area, it's again high area but tilla smaller than that, and moderate steep, it's not highly steep. Okay, another tilla area, that means Tripura has a lot of tilla areas actually, isn't it? Okay, so tilla land again, that is of gentle to moderate slope, the slope is not so much steep. Okay, another one is rolling topography, so it's somewhat like this. Okay, you will see somewhat tilla, but it will be somewhat like this, and plain land. Okay, about the climate, we mostly see 4 climates. Okay, one is winter, December to February. You try to remember, you will understand. Yes, December to February, it's really cool. Okay, and if you see pre-monsoon, it comes from, of course, from March to September. Okay, after that again post-monsoon, that too, you can call it pre-winter also. Okay, post-monsoon or pre-winter, whatever you call, that is from October to November. Okay, so let's go to the next data, where I will not talk much again here. So monsoon is of 5 months in Tripura. This is the longest season of Tripura. Okay, and in generally annual rainfall is of 1,500 to 2,500 millimeter. And if we talk about our temperature in the winter, it is around 27 degrees Celsius to 9 degrees Celsius. Okay, and if we talk about in summer, it is 24 is the minimum and 37 is the highest temperature. Generally it's like that. And ICAR, okay, ICAR, they categorize Tripura under agroclimate. You should remember this, okay? Agroclimate, agroclimate zones of humid in eastern Himalayan, okay? So I'll not go through next of the data. You can just take screenshots so that you can use that. One is pH value of fertility. This is the fertility status of soil. You will see most of the time we put potash, phosphorus, all those types of things in the soil so that our cultivation would be good. So সেই জন্য এগুলো দেওয়া হয়, ওকে? তো আমরা যদি দেখি pH ভ্যালু ত্রিপুরাতে সেটা generally 4.05 to 6.05. Organic ebon is not important that much. For phosphorus, yes, 60.5% soil phosphorus কিন্তু deficiency আছে, বাকি 26.9% medium আর 12.5% হাইতে হাই আছে. It's okay. And for the potash, again 67.3% soil low আছে, 24.7% soil medium, and for more than 8% soil is having high amount of potash, okay? Let's talk about horticulture. Now I don't have much data, don't worry, okay? Only 2 slides are there, okay? But these data are very important. You should remember some of those data so that if they ask some question from here, you can answer it very easily. So if we talk about area under cultivation for horticulture, that is 45,460, okay? Area not covered for cultivation. Wasteland is 2,732. Fallow land, no fallow land is there, okay? If I talk about high land available, if you see agriculture as well as horticulture, it's showing the same data, 98,000 hectare. The reason is they have considered this data for overall agriculture. It can be horticulture or anything else, okay? HYB, they don't have data, okay? High yield variety, they don't have data. For the biofertilizer, 5,000 kg of chemical fertilizer was given. Biofertilizer, nothing was given. For the horticulture, they don't have any data. And the horticulture crop which we grow in Tripura are mostly, yes, one important one is pineapple. There is any doubt? Pineapple, okay? Another one is banana. There is no doubt again, okay? Then lychee, coconut, erica nut, of course, erica nut we are doing. Then orange, jackfruit, mango, lemon, turmeric, etc. we grow, okay? And of course we grow even ginger and different types of many other even nowadays Mosambi and different things we are doing. In mango we are doing very good, okay? So different types of things are happening. And farmers trained during 2008 and 2009 is 4,000 numbers for horticulture, okay? Again, machines were distributed, let's not go there, okay? And production of different, this is you should remember a bit, okay, so that you will understand different question. If some tricky question comes, you can answer from this type of data. You don't have to remember all the numbers, but you should have idea at least, okay? For crop 2007 and 8, if we see, it's for the pineapple, it's 62.8, okay? Then for banana 70, okay? This you can take a screenshot and note it down. I should not discuss and waste your time here, okay? And another thing is, if I talk about market shades and sales stall for horticulture, it is 156 market shade and sales stall is 590. Total irrigated land is 18,785 hectares. This is very important, okay? If we don't have irrigated land, of course it is increased now. It is increased, but why I am saying this data? If they don't have data, at least they will ask question according to the data which is available, and from this thing you will get the idea also. That's all for today. I hope this will help you for the examination, okay, which will happen very soon. Day after tomorrow you have the examination. I really wish you will sit with full mind for the examination and you will rock there, okay? That's what I want, okay? We tried from our level to give you some knowledge at least, so that you can utilize that knowledge for the examination. By the way, again I'm saying, please subscribe the channel if you have not done it yet. Please comment and like it, and if you like it, of course, and share with your friends and family to know about our courses like TPSC, TCS, TPS, SSC, TAT, banking, etc. Please contact us on 825-700-711 anytime. We are happy to help you always. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.